Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Farmside. Farmside Internet, a rural connectivity solution. In this review, we'll delve into Farmside, a New Zealand internet provider specializing in bringing connectivity to rural and remote areas. For your convenience, I've included links to their various plans and service offerings in the description below. Farmside caters specifically to those who need reliable internet access in locations where traditional broadband options like fiber are often unavailable. This makes them a popular choice for rural households, businesses, and agricultural operations across New Zealand. Farmside provides a diverse range of internet plans, encompassing satellite broadband, wireless broadband, utilizing 4G network technology, and fiber optic connections where the infrastructure permits. Their satellite broadband plans are particularly noteworthy, extending reliable internet access to even the most geographically isolated locations. While satellite internet inherently has higher latency compared to fiber, it represents a vital connection for users who might otherwise have limited or no internet options. Where available, their wireless broadband leverage 4G networks to deliver faster speeds. One of Farmside's key strengths lies in its personalized approach to rural internet solutions. They offer free consultations to guide customers through the selection process, ensuring the chosen plan aligns perfectly with their individual location, usage needs, and budget. Many of their plans include unlimited data options, a significant advantage for households or businesses with high bandwidth demands. Furthermore, Farmside offers Voice over Internet Protocol (VoIP) services, allowing users to make calls over their internet connection, potentially eliminating the need for a traditional landline. Installation is handled professionally, especially for satellite installations. Trained technicians ensure optimal equipment placement and configuration for peak performance. Farmside also offers hardware rental options for equipment like satellite dishes and modems, making the initial setup costs more manageable. Customer support is New Zealand-based and readily accessible via phone, email, and live chat, providing prompt and knowledgeable assistance. Their services are underpinned by New Zealand's leading satellite network, reinforcing their reliability for rural users. Farmside's pricing is competitive within the niche market it serves, considering the specialized technology and expertise required to extend connectivity to remote locations. While speeds may not rival urban fiber connections, Farmside effectively bridges the digital divide for those in underserved areas. In conclusion, Farmside presents an excellent internet solution for rural and remote users seeking dependable connectivity. Explore the links in the description for more details, and feel free to share your own thoughts or experiences with Farmside in the comments section below.